Good morning. These are Muras and Sammy's puppy at 4 week today. They grow so nicely and they play very nicely too. What you do, Snoopy? Don't bite him. Sweetie pie, Snoopy, stop. Who is running there? Okay, that's Snoopy. This is Rocky, the last born. This is Lisa, the firstborn. This is Star. He's just like his father. This is Molly, the hyper girl. Tish, the crying boy. And who is this? This is Star. This is Star. Stay there, Star. Very good. Good boy. Okay, now watch that. That's a fight. All day. What? What, Star? Are you running? Oh, what you do there? Come here, sweetie. Here on the playground. Come here, Molly. Okay, now I can see you all, guys. They are running already. Come here, sweetie. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, more closely. It's much better. Hi, Rocky. I'm a little baby boy.